Ever wish your apartment had four-wheel drive, a rooftop deck, and a toilet that doesn't flush your water bill down the drain? Well, buckle up. This is the El Capitan build from Papago Vans, and it's more loaded than your uncle at Thanksgiving. The pneumatic A2 awning, no legs, no stress, just shade on command. So we got the CA Tune bumper and the Warren 12S winch for when you go too far off-road or you just want to flex in the grocery store parking lot. These LP9 Amber Beasts are going to cut through fog, dust, and all your existential darkness. These are not your dad's minivan tires. The Nitto Ridge Grapplers and the Black Rhino Arsenals are rugged, sexy muscle. We got the perimeter lighting wrapped all the way around this van. It's going to light up all of your adventures. The side ladder is going to allow you access to the top of your van if you need to strap down gear or just have a road soda on top of your van. The Lasawaro tire carrier allows you to carry a full-size spare on the back of your van and look sick as hell. The Monster Box, it doubles as like an extra garage, allowing you to carry gear that you don't want in your van, anything smelly, or just be a snack locker. This is the CRLT vent window. These bottom portions of the window will vent open, allowing air in but no bugs. The outdoor table folds down and it's just a nice area to set up. You can set up your laptop, have some snacks out here. Just above that, we have the light switches and the awning switch as well, easily accessible coming into the van, just like a light switch when you walk into the room. These are the side steps from Flatline. These are literally a step up in van life. Both the driver and the passenger seat have Scopima swivels on them, allowing those to flip around and create a seating area in the van, completed by your Lagoon table. This is a custom tabletop that we make in-house. It flips out for more table space, folds in for better storage. You've got your drink holder right in the center. We have the bench here that doubles as storage. You can put all of your stuff in there that you don't want mom to see. Up above is the control panel. This is going to allow you to access all of the systems in your van, as well as the water gauge so that you can see how much water you have in your tank. Just below that is the Cruise 130 fridge freezer combo. This is the stainless steel option, keeping it sexy. The indoor shower is going to allow you to take showers in the privacy of your van. The on-off switch on the shower head allows you to save water while you're showering because conservation is cool, baby. The Lavio dry flush down here is zero smells, 100% genius. Floor to ceiling closet space is going to allow for storage up top, garment racks hanging down below. The fan over here can swivel and be pointed anywhere to keep you fresh and fabulous. This is a north-south facing queen size mattress. You have cubbies along the side for storage, dual reading lights, and the pneumatic X2 for when nature's air is too spicy. A microwave, tons of storage. The smaller faucet is for your filtered water. We use a Zuvo water filter in our vans, which uses a triple filtration system to keep your water fresh and sanitary. This is your potable water for all of your other needs, and of course, your extended countertop. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.